Experiencing voicemail problems on your Mint Mobile iPhone or Android device? You're not alone. Since Mint Mobile uses T-Mobile's network, voicemail issues can stem from various sources like software updates, network glitches, or settings. Mint Mobile operates on T-Mobile's network, so voicemail relies on their infrastructure. First, ensure you have a strong cellular or Wi-Fi connection, as voicemail requires data. Then, make sure the Mint Mobile app or your phone app has all necessary permissions like microphone, storage, and phone access. If problems persist, a simple restart of your device can often resolve temporary glitches. For Android users, clearing the cache in the phone app can help. Go to Settings, Apps, Phone, Storage, then Clear Cache. Another key step is to verify your APN settings. They should be configured to fast.tmobile.com. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Mint Mobile voicemail issues, try these advanced fixes. First, reset your network settings. On iOS, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. Android has similar options in System Settings. For persistent issues on Android, enable VoLTE by going to Settings, Connections, Mobile Networks, then VoLTE Calls. This can resolve voicemail unavailable errors. Looking ahead, voicemail is evolving with AI-driven features such as T-Mobile's AI-powered transcripts. Mint Mobile is integrating voicemail with messaging apps and planning a voicemail assistant feature. Always keep your Mint Mobile app updated for improvements. If all else fails, contact Mint Mobile support via chat or call 1-800-683-7392.